is exactly how beginners learn how to play the major scale. It's not bad, but if you actually want to level up and play it like the pros do, I'm going to show you a simple technique that these pros actually use to play their major scales. This is called the 3 notes per string method. Unlike the other one that you know, the 3 note per string, like the name implies, is a way of playing the major scale such that you play the major scale using 3 notes per every string. So to get started, let's go to our C major scale on the E string, our C major note, our C note on the E string. So this is how it looks like, and you're going to do a lot of stretching here, so but it's important. Now the reason why you should learn this is because it helps you to broaden your scope of the scale and visualize it properly. Like you not just be stuck in one position, right? So it looks something like this. Can you see I'm using index finger, middle finger, do, re, mi. Then on the next string, I'll play 3 notes too. Fa, sol, la. Then I'll go to the next string. 3 notes. Then next string, mi, fa, sol. Then the next string here. Then the next string. Alright? So all together it sounds something like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. So the next time you want to play the major scale or you want to use the major scale to solo, this is an exercise I want you to try. I want you to forget about the ones here for now and start focusing on these 3 notes per string. So this is an exercise, just do 3 notes per string. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you can go to the next string. Okay? So ensure you're doing it together with me. The next string. Then the next string. Again. So we have la, ti, do, and the last. This is just an extension, re, mi, fa, but it actually ends here. La, ti, do. So do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. La, so, fa, mi, re, do. Okay? So this is how you can play. So when you are practicing this now, ensure that you practice it with a metronome. Slow down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tak, tak, tak. Ensure that you are playing it at the slowest speed you can so that you get it accurately, right? Because accuracy is more important than speed. Accuracy is more important. It's better for you to be able to play something accurately and slow than for you to try struggling and not getting it right. So the moment you get it right, then you can now double your speed.